Hi friends. So if you were a mom to 5 and you had 2 hours of time to kill, what would you do? I thought about pedicure, thrift store. I've got to drop stuff off at the thrift store, so I'm gonna do that. I've got to go by the grocery store. That's gonna be my last thing after I drop Ryker off, because I have to go pick Ryker up from one school. They're in summer camps. My 3 big kids are. Aaron's at home right now with the 2 youngest. He's able to hang out there with them and keep them safe and sound, supervised while I'm gone. So that works really well there. And so he's just off today. It's Monday. Come along with me and let's see what all this crazy day entails. It's 9 o'clock now and I feel like I've had a full day. And so we're gonna see what else we can do because we've got time to kill. All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, I'm back with another grocery haul. Today I went to Fred Meyer's and I picked up some meat for the next week or two, as well as just some produce, some bread items, that kind of thing. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show you what I got and what I spent. All right, I went to Fred Meyer's and my intention was to go in there and just pick up like a couple of things. But in true fashion, I was like, when am I going to get a chance to come back into the grocery store without any kids and grab some things? So I took advantage of the opportunity and I just wanted to go ahead and stock up on tissues or restock on tissues. We're on our last few boxes. I buy the big bulk boxes of kitchen bags. Then for the packed lunches for summer camps or for the kids when they go to the golf course with dad to put snacks in, that helps us save money. We also have some reusable bags, but I can't keep up with everything, you guys, so I'm getting some plastic right now, season of life that we're in. Also grabbed a mega pack of quarts because I do freeze some produce that I get in the summertime. So if I can find some cherries, a good deal on cherries, I'm going to buy a bunch of cherries and freeze them. So I needed some quart freezer bags and some gallon freezer bags because I also freeze my sourdough bread and I freeze other things like burritos and different things, and I reuse the bags for as long as I can. And then when the bags fail or they just get real, holes in them or whatever, we also use them when we travel and for storing kids' clothes and different things like that. Here, let's see, it's Aaron's birthday, and I said, hey, he's been wanting a pressure washer. So wanted him to get a pressure washer. He went and looked at pressure washers and didn't find any that he liked, but the man needs some slip-on shoes. So we got him some ridiculously comfortable slip-on shoes because he is in and out and all around this house. And it's nice to have a convenient shoe. And man, I tried these on in my size and they are so comfy. They're so squishy. They just feel plush. And I think he'll like those. He can also put them on at the golf course when he's done. He usually just puts on tennis shoes. He's always worn tennis shoes, but come on, he can use a pair of sandals. Here's all the rest of it. So produce wise, I grabbed some easy chopped salad stuff because this week I'm running back and forth to town all day to the kids' camps for 3 different kids and it's crazy. So we've got some easy lettuce. I can also add in my lettuce from the garden. I don't have a lot, but I can also add some spinach and different things from the garden to that, and that bulks it up and that spreads out the stuff from the garden. So doing the best we can with what we have here. Grabbed a classic garden one too, and no, they're not organic. That's okay. We're going to survive this. It's going to fill our bellies. Here we have bananas, and they also had, I bought whatever reduced produce they had. So they had a few peppers and they had this little bunch of bananas, but then I had to get some more bananas. And we also grabbed a batch of tomatoes. We grabbed 2 bags, so 8 avocados, and I don't know, probably 12 apples, 12 of these Honeycrisp apples. They were on sale, $4.99 a pound, so I'm not sure how many pounds I got, but we also got 6 organic cucumbers. Back here, we've got some uncured Polish pork kielbasa. I grabbed 2 of those. We don't ever eat anything like this, but I see a lot of YouTubers that do meal prepping make things like this. So I'm probably going to look up a whole lot of recipes and then come up with my own based on what I have in my house. And maybe we'll make some kind of Louisiana Creole based. I'm not really sure. We'll see. But I grabbed some of those because I don't really ever cook with things like this, but I thought it would be interesting and something new and different to try. So I grabbed 2 for my family of 7 of us. And then I have 3 chickens left from the farms that I've bought chickens from. So I've just been supplementing those and spreading those out with chicken from the store because I'm being stingy with my free range farmed local chickens. So I grabbed a big one the other day. I made chicken. I just canned the broth. Yesterday I finished up that, and so this week I will make another chicken and I will can more broth. I also have some chicken feet to throw in with that. So one of the ladies that I got chickens from, she harvested the chicken feet and sold all those to me. So that was really awesome. That's really going to make our broth nice and rich and gelatinous. If you don't know about adding chicken feet to your broths, definitely check it out. I've been doing it for years when I have access to them. So I'm really glad that I have a bag full of chicken feet in the freezer to do that with. Okay, back here we grabbed 2 large cases of eggs. I also buy eggs from the ladies at the farms around here when they have them. So my neighbor also sometimes gives us eggs, which is really very generous of them, and we are so appreciative of that. I have yogurt. I make ranch dipping sauce with this, and I use the Azure standard ranch, buttermilk ranch for that. So mix those together and it makes a lovely dipping sauce or salad dressing. You can thin it out with a little bit of milk or water, whichever you prefer. Back here we have 3 pounds of the organic ground beef, and that was, I think it was probably $2 more than Walmart. So this was $18.99 for this 3-pack, 3 pounds of meat. I grabbed some burger buns, conventional burger buns. We still have some in the freezer, so I just wanted to grab those because I'm going to be making some pulled pork. I grabbed a giant pork loin. So this is a 5-pound pork loin, and I'm going to be cooking this for Aaron's birthday, and we'll have that on some burger buns, and he'll just have pork with whatever else he wants to have with that. And the kids and I will have pork sandwiches. I do make all of our other bread products, but the hamburger buns are just easy. Those are for easy nights when we want to grill our burger. We also have elk meat and deer meat, but we're on the very last few pounds of elk meat and deer meat in our freezer. So hunting season is coming up. That's why you guys have seen, I've just been real stingy with those because those are our favorite meats. So we bought half a cow this year and we stretched the half cow out till now. And now we're having to buy more meat, but we still do have a little bit of elk and deer. And I just use that on special occasions. The kids love it. So, you know, we're just trying to stretch everything here. So yes, we're buying some store meat. We're running low on our pork as well. I do have pork chops and some different other cuts of pork, but we wanted barbecue sandwiches, so that's why we've got that. Oh, I forgot to tell you. I've got carrots that we already broke into and started eating. I got some peppers from the discount vegetable aisle, and the peppers, I am going to be cutting those up and freezing those until we need to use them in a recipe. If you guys saw, I've been doing that with peppers and onions and celery, and it makes meal prep nights so much easier to just go ahead and chop everything up when you get it, throw it in the freezer, or you can ferment it or pickle it or do whatever you want to do with those extra produce items that are on sale in the sale section. Always check that and always buy those produce that are on their way out, because you can still use them and preserve them in ways to make them go further. Okay, so these lemons I got for my elderflower cordial. I'm going to be bottling that tonight. It's in the refrigerator right now just to stall the process. And it's elderflowers and a simple syrup, and then we're going to add some citric acid and some lemon juice, and we're going to cook that up and stick it in bottles tonight. Then right here, we've got our organic cucumbers, and I also got 2 limes. The limes are to use with cilantro from the garden and with the tomatoes and with the onion to make a salsa. And we're going to have that on rice and shredded chicken or rice and pork, whatever. We might even make this into like pork carnitas, because that would be really delicious too. So we'll see. We'll see what I end up making with the pork. I'm going to bring you guys along with that. So my total today was $183.05. And I saved $28.63, they say. So how cool is that? $183.05. And because it was meat heavy, mostly because this chicken was $3.49 a pound, and it was a 5.5 pound chicken. The eggs, you know, the organic avocados, those types of things cost a little bit more, but mostly it was meat heavy. Oh, if you want to be a part of the Rowes Rising family, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I appreciate you being here with me. A few other interesting things that I want to share with you guys today. I always link all of my affiliate links down in this video's description. So if you go down there and check it out, you're going to see I share with you all the discount codes that I'm given to pass along to you all. So things like Liquid IV, as well as Azure Standard. You're going to see Liquid IV is a hydration drink. It's great to have for times of illness, if somebody needs some extra electrolytes, things like that. There's also a Real Salt discount. That's my favorite one. Real Salt also has electrolyte drinks on their website, as well as facial products, toothpaste products. Real Salt from ancient seabeds in Utah, and so it is USA mined salt. You want to check that out. You want to go ahead and use that discount because it's the best discount that you can get on Real Salt online. And if you spend over $30, you get free shipping. So that's down below. Recently, I opened up channel memberships on my channel, and you can join there for a monthly fee. And I have 2 members. My very first 2 members of the Rowes Rising family is Join Me in the Dirt and Pagan Winter. I want to give a shout out to both of those channels. Go and check them out. They were my very first 2 members. So if you guys are looking for another way to support me and this channel and my family, you can definitely go over there and join on the membership tab, as well as you guys can check out my blog website. It is rowesrising.com. That is where you will find all of the recipes that I share on this channel. You can also follow me over on Rumble, Rowes Rising, as well as Instagram. That's Rowes Rising on Instagram too. So you'll recognize it because I use the same pictures all the way around. I'm Katie Rowe on Facebook. If you're into Facebook, you can go follow me over there. All of those are going to be linked down below in this video's description, along with all of my affiliate links that I extend discounts to all of you all. So if you're looking to save money on a grain mill, or if you want to get some electrolytes for your family, or you want to buy Real Salt, check out my affiliate links down in this video's description, and there you will find all of my discount codes and all of the wonderful products that I like to use in my home that you can also use in your home at a discounted price. So thank you so much for using those. When you use those, it helps support my channel, and it helps me to be able to keep these videos coming to you guys. And for that, I thank you so much. I appreciate you more than you will ever know. And let's celebrate big time when we get to 20,000 subscribers. If you guys can help me get there, it means the world to me. Every single time you watch, like, and share one of my videos, every time you leave a comment down below and engage with us down there in the comments, it means so much to me, and it helps get my videos out there even more so that we can reach that 20,000 goal this year. It's taken me a few years to get there. I'm not gonna lie, I've been on YouTube for about 7 years now, and I have posted over 300 videos, so I have been working my tail off for you all on this channel, and I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you continue to stick around for the years to come through all of the growing pains and everything that happens here, everything that I share with you. I want to say thank you again so much to each one of you, and to Meet Me in the Dirt and Pagan Winter. Thank you for being my first members on my channel. Until next time, you guys, have a beautiful day. Bye. Hey, I found this shirt for Ryker. It was $4.29. This was not on sale, but all the blue tagged items were on sale. Okay, I also picked him up some Amphibian shorts. Those were $4.29. Those were half off. These were $3.29. They were not on sale. And then these were $3.29. These were also half off. So my little thrift haul, I found stuff for the boys, but I did not find anything for the girls today.